Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a twisted dandy from Dandy's World. So first let's get started with the face. So in the center, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Let's draw in our eyes now. So on both sides, we're going to draw in an oval on a slight diagonal. Moving in towards the inner corner of both eyes now, we're going to replicate that, just making it smaller. And then in the center of that, we're just going to draw in a circle. Now let's draw on the mouth. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, and then over. And then we're going to move over on the right and replicate that, blending that in together in the center. Underneath, we're going to draw in an arch line. For the teeth, on the left and right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small letter V. And then stepping across, let's replicate that. On the bottom, we're going to draw in 4 small triangles again as we come all the way over towards the right. And now let's draw in the petals. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on the left. We'll do the same thing on the right, joining that together at the top. Let's come down now from the side, from the corner. We're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line back in towards the side. Now from here on the bottom again, lining that up at the same height, we're going to curve this line in. And then doing the same thing on the right-hand side, arching this line back in again. Now from the corner, we're going to curve this line out. And then again from that point, just arching this line back in towards that inside corner. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out. In each petal. And then now let's draw in our arms. So as we come down for the front arms, on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line. And then on the inside, we're going to replicate that again. Now on the inside line, we're going to bring our diagonal line back out towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, bringing that down. In the center for the claw, we're going to draw in a small curved line. On the inside, curving this line out towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the outside, curving that line back down. Now on both sides for the rest of the claws, we're just going to curve this line out. Then we'll do the same on the inside. Now from here, we're going to curve these lines in towards the middle. And then from that point, just curving this line back in towards the center. Now on the wrist here, we're going to draw in a curved line. We're going to leave a big gap coming up on the top, replicating that. Let's move over on the outside, curving that line out. And then dropping down on the bottom, let's replicate that. Now we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom. We're going to follow this pattern, so we're going to curve this line out. And then we're going to move across on the left-hand side and replicate that. Now on the strips on the top and bottom, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line, leaving an even amount of space as we come all the way across. And we'll do the same on the top. Now on the arm, we're going to draw in a dripping pattern. So we're just going to draw in a wavy line, alternating this as we come over. We're going to draw in a small circle underneath on the right, and then moving down on a diagonal, replicating that. Let's move over on the left on the inside corner, drawing in a small circle, and then we'll do the same on the top. And now we're just going to draw in our hind legs. So on the outside, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes all the way down, ending that at the same height. And then on the inside, just bringing this line up towards the top. Now for the foot, from that corner, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted Dandy from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.